We've had a fair amount of wet weather over much of the country over the last couple of days, and on Tuesday we see that band of rainfall continuing to move eastward, but we're still expecting mostly cloudy weather with rain over the eastern part of the country. We're also expecting a bit of cloud over the southern part of South Africa as a weak cold front skims over that part of the country, with a fine and mild Tuesday in store over the central interior. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see a 60% chance of rain over the eastern part of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, with isolated rainfall expected throughout KwaZulu-Natal, and the chance of rainfall decreasing as we head westward towards Gauteng, with a dry forecast for the rest of the country. Now, overall, it'll be a mild Tuesday, with most of those daytime highs peaking in the low 20s. Still warm for Uppington, though, at 27, with Vredendal and Pretoria topping 25 degrees. It'll be a cool Tuesday for Pietermaritzburg and Bombela, both at 17, with a high of around 20 degrees along the western and eastern Cape coastline. As we head out to the west coast, you'll see a strong southeasterly wind for Alexander Bay, so poor beach conditions there because of the windy weather, with a moderate to fresh southerly wind for Langebaan and Lambert's Bay. Good beach conditions here with a mostly sunny and mild forecast, and along the west coast we can expect a 2-meter southwesterly open ocean swell. Along the southwest coast, we're expecting a south-southeasterly wind of between 20 and 25 kilometers per hour, and that's between Hermanus and the Cape Town Atlantic seaboard side, with more of a westerly wind as we head towards Cape Agulhas. A bit of cloud expected here with a mild day in store, and we're expecting a 2.5-meter southwesterly swell with wave heights between 3 and 4 feet. Along the south coast, we can expect good beach conditions for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, with a light west-southwesterly wind, with that wind reaching 25 kilometers per hour for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth. And along the south coast, we can expect a 2-meter swell with wave heights between 2 and 4 feet, and low tide expected just before 11 a.m. in the morning for Mossel Bay. A strong southwesterly wind and cloudy and wet weather results in poor beach conditions between the Wild Coast and Richards Bay, with a fresh southwester for East London, and we're expecting a 2.5-meter swell with wave heights between 3 and 4 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Tuesday.
News that moves. eNCA.com.